today we're working on a 2002 Ford Explorer, and we're going to show you how to change the battery.
Whenever you're changing the battery on a vehicle, you want to take into consideration a couple of things. The first, remove the negative terminal first. This will reduce the chance of having a hazardous spark or you shocking yourself. Then you'll remove the positive cable. You'll reinstall in reverse order, putting the positive cable on first and then the ground cable on second. You'll also want to make sure, if you're working on a vehicle that has a lot of sensitive data on the vehicle, like security locks and radio settings, you want to make sure that you have an additional power supply to give power to those computer components so that you don't lose any of that saved data.
So the first step is going to be disconnecting the negative terminal. You're going to use an 8mm wrench. And once it's loose, you can just slide it up and over, out of the way, and then it's safe to disconnect the positive. Do the same thing, loosen it up, and then slide it up and over. So the reason we're replacing this battery is it is the wrong size. You can see here, the hold down is not holding it in place, so not the safest thing. So just go ahead and slide it out. Some batteries have a handle, this particular one does not. So if your battery is the correct size, you're also going to have to loosen this before you can remove the battery. Slide this in. Look at all that dirt. So this side is going to go up against the battery. And once that's in place, you can go ahead and tighten it down with our ratchet. Once that's in place, just make sure the battery is securely in place. That's not going to go anywhere. And then you can go ahead and reconnect your positive. Okay, good. Maybe not. Or the GMs, they like to start honking.